Let's do some chicken meal prep. Want some? Gonna butterfly first. It's more volume. B, it's gonna cook a little bit faster, a little bit more evenly. Garlic powder, onion powder, pepper. Remember, these are just the basics that we're doing for our chicken today. This is gonna be really good meal prep for the week. As the week goes on and you get bored of just eating it like this, go ahead and start adding different flavors to it. You notice how I have not salted it up. Without any salt in there, you can season it however you'd like later on. You can pop these in the air fryer. You can cook them in the regular oven. You can bake them. Frying pan with some coconut oil. So you've got a lot of different options out. They're not breaded. They're not deep fried. Pop those in the air fryer. Now we'll go over to the stove. Coconut oil, that is. Around the edges, they are starting to get white, which means we can start turning them. Now, air fryer a little bit easier. We're in the air fryer. I've just paused it for a moment. Say basket 1 from the air fryer. Here's basket 2. Chicken prep, meal prep, food prep done. This might last you a few days. It could last you a week. You've cooked once. This way I can use it for any type of dish really that I want and add other types of spices. I can use this for tacos, burritos. Quick, it's easy. I love it like popcorn chicken too. Boom! Finally a healthy snack in my kitchen again. Now if I eat these like I eat chocolate almonds, I'm gonna get pretty healthy pretty fast.